When you feel internally unstable, your instinct is to build walls around yourself. These walls often manifest as identity labels, social validation, job titles, physical appearance, status, and even spiritual performance. While these elements are not inherently wrong, they become problematic when used as shields instead of genuine expression of self. What does insecurity look like in disguise? Overachieving to earn worth, people pleasing to gain love, hiding talents to avoid criticism, acting cocky, confident to mask doubt, perfectionism to feel safe and secure, playing small to avoid failure. It's all the same underlying issue, just wearing different masks. You pursue achievements not out of love for growth, but out of fear of being seen as insignificant. You strive for beauty not for the joy of expression, but to avoid feelings of being unwanted. You chase money, success, or recognition because you feel invisible without them. It may look like confidence and feel like progress, but it's not. It's just another version of insecurity disguised as success.